simplification form of a fraction, right? So in this simplification form of a fraction, how we can simplify a particular fraction, we will understand here. Okay, so at first, for example, there's a fraction 3 by 9. Okay, so how you can simplify it into the simplest form? You need to find out the HCF, right? So the HCF of 3 and 9, that is 3. Okay, 3 and 9, the HCF of that is 3. Okay, you must know the HCF, how you can find the HCF. In the previous classes you have gone through that. So in simplification, what you will do is divide 3 by 3 and 9 also by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3, that will be 1, and 9 divided by 3, that will be 3. So 1 by 3 will be the simplified form of the fraction 3 by 9. Okay. For example, there is a 5 by 25. Okay, so 5 and 25, if you will find out the HCF of 5 and 25, that will be 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 and 25 divided by 5, so that will be 5 divided by 5 1, and 25 divided by 5, that will be 5. Okay, so this is how you can at first you have to find out the HCF, right? And then you will find out the answer of this particular simplification, simplified fractions. Okay, students, so uh, this is how you can do the exercise 5th A. Okay, and for the 5th B, we have done like comparison of the fractions. Okay, how you can compare the fractions. Okay, if I say that for example, if I say that 1 by 2 or 4 by 8, which one is greater? Okay, 1 by 2 or 4 by 8. If you want to find out which one is greater, you can do it by finding the LCM. For example, 2 and 8, what will be the LCM of 2 and 8? If you don't know how to find the LCM, again I can tell you, this is how you can find out the LCM. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2s are 8. Okay, so 2 twos are 4, 2s are 8. This is the LCM of it. So you have to convert the particular fractions into denominator of 8. So 1 by 2, if you want to convert the denominator by 8, you have to multiply it by 4, right, into 4. And how do we know? Listen, this is LCM is 8, this is 1 by 2. You need to convert this denominator into by with a denominator 8. So divide 8 by 2, this will be 2 4s are 8. So this is 4, that means you need to multiply it by 2. So 1 into 4, 4, and 2 into 4, 8, right? So now this is also and this is also equal, denominators are equal. Now you can easily compare it. This is also 4 by 8 and this is also 4 by 8. So are they equal? Absolutely they are equal. Okay, and if I say you to add 1 by 2 and 4 by 8, likewise you can do it. If I say 1 by 2 plus 4 by 8, you just have to first add of at first you have to make the denominators equal by finding the LCM first, and then you can add it equally. So 4 by 8 and plus 4 by 8, it will be at denominators we have the same denominators, it will be 8, and above 4 plus 4, that will be 8 upon 8. Okay, and if we will cancel it further, 8 ones are 8, so 1 will be the answer. Okay, some more questions. Let me tell you, for example, if you have been given 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. Okay, so if you will find the if you need to compare or add, so how you can do it? You can do it by, like, you at first you know that denominators are different. Okay, they are unlike fractions, so you have to convert them into like fraction, that is denominators will be same. So 6 and 12, the LCM will be, the LCM of 6 and 12, the LCM will be 12. Okay, so if you want to convert this particular fraction into 12, what you need to do is multiply it by 12. 6 into 2 12, that is 5. Okay, so 5 into 2 10, and 6 into 2 12, and this is 7 by 12. Now you can easily see that which one is greater and which one is not, right students? Okay, Is that clear? That means this one is greater and this one is smaller, right students? Okay, so that means 5 by 6 is greater than 7 by 12. Now if you want to add it, you can add it also, because for addition also you need to make the denominators equal. So now denominators are same, 12 and 12. So if you want to add it, you can add it. Okay, so denominators are same, so we will put denominator 12. 10 plus 7, that will be 17. So it will be 17 by 12. If you want to convert it into mixed fraction, so 12 ones are 12 plus 5, 17. This will be the answer. Got it? Understood? Now next is, if you want to find out the fraction of a quantity. Fraction of a quantity. For example, if you have been asked to find a 2 by 4 of 16. Okay, 2 by 4 of 16. So what you will do is just 2 by 4 multiplied by 16. Okay, so 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8. Or you can do it like, 16 into 2, 32. Okay, and then divided by 4. Okay, that will also be equal. 4 8s are 32. Right? You can do as per your convenience. Right, students? This is how you can do. Now next topic. Okay, because they all are in alignment, that is why I'm doing it in a continuity. Okay, because every time if I will start it on a fresh basis, you will not be getting up the concept. Now operations on fraction. So operations on fraction, student, we have done like addition, we have done. Okay, subtraction also we will do. So let's go with the help of an example. Question number 1. Okay, for example, 16 by 4 plus 14 by 2. You have to add it. So as I have told you that for adding or subtraction, you need to at first compare the denominators whether they are equal or not. So 4 and 2, they are not equal. So if you want to find the LCM 4 and 2, the LCM of 4 and 2 will be 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are, okay, so this will be 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so this will be 16 by 4 plus, okay, and for making this particular 14 by 2, okay, 14 by 2, so this will be multiplied by 2 and this will be multiplied by 2. 14 2s are 28 and 2 2s are 4, so 28 plus 4. Now this is equal, so denominator is same, so this will be 4. 16 plus 28, okay, so 8 plus 6, 14, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so 44 divided by 4, that will be 11. So this is how you can add it. Okay, so, and if you want to subtract it also, like 14 by 2 minus 16 by 4, okay, you can do it easily. 2 and 4, the LCM is how much? 4. Okay, so if you want to convert this particular fraction into like fraction, so like this you have done. Okay, so this will be 28 by 4 minus 16 by 4. Okay, so the denominators are same, this will be 4, and 8 minus 6, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so this will be 12 by 4, this will be 3. Okay, so this is how you can subtract it. Okay, correct, students? So the next thing, that is multiplication and division. Okay, we will do, and many of the word problems that we will do in the further videos. Till then, keep learning, be safe, and stay at home.